Sharon, as a woman entrepreneur
Mhm,
in a business that it's changing, but it's still a very male-dominated industry, what are
mhm.
some of the unique challenges that you've possibly run into over the years?
Well, this isn't going to be very politically correct, but I haven't really had a whole lot.
Okay.
um, so my degree is in a male-dominated field. I was 25 years in computers, male-dominated. My last 11 years were in an oil refinery. So
Okay.
IT in an oil refinery. It's doesn't get more male-dominated than that. Well,
Hmm.
maybe if you're engineering out in the field there,
Hmm.
but I was raised to be, again, good, bad, or indifferent. I'm an only child. So I was, dad's little helper, mom's
Hmm.
helper, kind of did it all. I was
Hmm.
raised to, be self-sufficient, take care of yourself, do what needs to be done, be honest, pay your bills, stuff like that. So
Yeah.
I had an advantage that I don't know if that's normal or not, but
Hmm.
um, I'm very strong and independent, which if anybody's ever met me, I mean, you can tell from this video probably, but I'm not one to go, I need your permission to do something. This blonde is chemical. I'm not a natural blonde. I'm a brunette. This is just to cover the gray. So I
Well, you,
personally, for me, I know other women do run into roadblocks and people
mhm,
putting them down, but I'm just like, get out of my way. I'm
mhm.
just
Very
going to
good.
bulldoze through you.
All right.
So,
Well, given that, what advice would you give to other women maybe looking at getting into the laundromat business?
so probably the same as I'd give a man.
Mhm.
Um, uh, I do think we do have a unique advantage. Most women are the ones that do the laundry in the family, right?
Mhm.
Most laundromats are built by men. So if you're going to a laundromat, what do you want it to look like? You want it to be clean, you want it to be safe, and you want it to be friendly. You don't want to have surly attendants. You want an attendant there. You want them to be nice. You want them to be helpful. If you're bringing your toddlers in with you, you want it to be clean enough they could play on the floor if they want to, because they're gonna pick up stuff off the floor.
Mhm.
You want the tables to not be sticky. If you have tables, you want the chairs. You want things to be clean. You want to walk out of there with clean laundry. So look at it from the customer's perspective. And my ideal customer is that woman who comes in and does the laundry for her family and hopefully her extended family every week or every other week. The
Mhm.
regular customer. What do you want them to see?
Mhm.
So learn business in general. If you don't already understand how businesses operate, we are a capitalist society. People pay us money for services, and then we give them good value for their money.
Mhm.
Learn marketing, read,
Mhm.
go into other laundromats. Um, Take your load of towels, go in there and do a test load. What do you like about that laundromat? What makes you comfortable? What makes you uncomfortable? Um, just look at everything from a customer's perspective. Learn
Mhm.
everything you can. Of course, join the CLA, and
Mhm.
there's a lot of materials that are helpful, that the CLA has to offer, a lot of courses and books and stuff like that. Join
Mhm.
laundromat groups, ask us questions. And there's tons of Facebook groups out there, laundromat. Some I can do without, others are really, you know, um, active. Um,
Mhm.
a lot of people are in all of them. Some people talk all the time on there because they got nothing else to do. And some of us don't quite have all that much time, but get on LinkedIn, link with other professionals,
Mhm.
laundry professionals, get to know
Mhm.
your local distributors,
Mhm.
learn what brands are there. What's a hard mount? What's a soft mount? No, you don't want top loaders. I'll just tell you that right now. Learn what the different payment options are. Just learn.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Very good.